Hi, this is Jana with MarineMax. Welcome to the Pompano Yacht Center, where we carry a very large inventory for immediate delivery of yachts of many brands. I'm here today to introduce you to this beautiful 2020 Azimut 72 Flybridge that stands right behind me. First of all, I wanted to show you this vessel on the outside. Designed by Stefano Righini, this is by far the most stylish 72 on the market. But it's what you don't see that actually matters on this boat. CE Category A certified, this boat was built with its whole superstructure in carbon fiber. As much as all the way to the hardtop and radar arch is actually wrapped in carbon fiber. From the moment you step on board, you're already all the way up stepping in our carbon tech design. That is actually more than any competitor in our industry. Because of that, you will encounter the largest flybridge in its category, an incredible seaworthy yacht, and an interior volume like no other. Here on the cockpit, as soon as you walk in, you're going to see your cockpit command for docking, for easy docking. The triple large doors connect the interior to the exterior, feeling like one large space. To the port side, you have a wet bar that will also allow you to entertain in this covered cockpit without having to go inside of the vessel. This fabric here that you're seeing on this U-shaped sofa is actually called a baby liner. It's one of the strongest material and newest material on the market for the marine industry. Welcome aboard. Inside of this boat, you see the new Riviera interior. The fact that there is no steps on this level presents a feeling of a much larger vessel. With very large windows, which is a trademark of Azimut, you have beautiful panoramic views of the ocean. With a comfortable layout of 4 staterooms and 4 heads, this space will give you all the room needed for a long-term voyage. The integrated galley, the floor-to-ceiling windows, it just makes Yacht very comfortable. With a 2-man with a 1400 horsepower, this vessel carries a speed of 32 maximum and 26 at cruising. To ensure a comfortable ride, all Azimut 72 in America is delivered with Seakeeper gyro. As you can see, there are a lot of clean lines, which is a true statement to our interior designer, Carlo Galeazzi. Here at the helm, you have a very comprehensive navigation package, which includes a joystick for easy docking, bow and stern independent thrusters, a Seakeeper control, 2 hybrid touch Raymarine that is integratable with many systems, and keep in mind that everything that you're seeing here, it also comes in our Flybridge Helm station. To top it all off, Azimut now offers 3-year factory warranty with their vessel. If you like this tour and you're looking for a yacht, please make sure to contact me at Jana, J-A-N-A, at MarineMax.com. It will be a pleasure to help you. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.